I'm honored to represent the United States of America here in Zagreb as we reflect on the second anniversary of Russia's full-scale invasion into Ukraine. I'm awed by the fortitude of a nation that has emerged resilient, a nation that has emerged determined from centuries of trials and triumph. Ukraine has taken back over 50% of the territory Russia illegally seized and is holding Russia's force back across the front lines. Moscow's actions in Ukraine undermine basic international principles vital to peace, vital to security. The territorial integrity of the state cannot be changed by force, and that citizens in a democracy have the inherent right to determine their own country's future. These principles extend beyond Ukraine. These principles extend beyond Europe. These principles are the underpinning of the international order that together the United States and our allies have built and sustained. In challenging these principles, Russia challenges the international system itself. In threatening Ukraine, Russia is threatening the stability. Russia is threatening the prosperity, and Russia is threatening the future of Europe and its transatlantic partners. We cannot let Russia win, and we will not let Russia win. The United States reaffirms our enduring support for Ukraine. President Joe Biden is committed to continuing our economic, our humanitarian, and our security assistance to bolster Ukraine's standing on the battlefield and put them in the best predicament to win this war. Ukraine has kept grain flowing in the world markets. Ukraine has kept heat and electricity on. Ukraine has continued to deliver healthcare and emergency services and pass a range of reforms that are moving Ukraine forward to membership in Euro-Atlantic integration institutions. Ukraine will continue to see these successes, and it will win. It will win with our help. Ukraine's story is one of perseverance, it's one of strength, and one that resonates here in Croatia. It's a familiar story here in Croatia, who experienced their own horrors and their own triumphs in the 1990s. Within the strong united front for Ukraine, Croatia's unflagging support is outsized and remarkable. Croatia's own recent experience can inform Ukraine's path to success. From sharing lessons learned about investigating and prosecuting war crimes, so Ukraine is already years ahead, to providing material and expert support on humanitarian demining. Croatia is a true friend and ally to Ukraine. As we stand in solidarity with Ukraine, we are committed to the principles of compassion. We are committed to the principles of humanity. Croatia embodies this by opening its doors to more than 24,000 Ukrainian refugees and providing opportunities for you all to thrive in such a safe environment. Croatia has taken the principled choice to support stability, to support hope, to support democracy, and ultimately to support freedom. Democracies of the world will stand guard over freedom, today, tomorrow, and forever. Thank you. Slava Ukraine.